Hello, this is Paul from EMD Automotive at Caringbah. Today I had to go buy a bearing supporter, bearing press support to actually do this one here, because that one I had a smaller one, but I had to go get a bigger one. So just a quick rundown of what you're doing is, if you're doing this bearing for the first time, and if you look at that, and it's the ring counter, the pulse counter is on this side here on the drive shaft. If it's on the drive shaft, so you don't need to worry about which way the bearing goes. You can put it anyway, this way or that way, no worries. But if the ring counter is not on the drive shaft but on the bearing, then you have to put the bearing the right way. So be careful when you're doing this, because you can get caught out and you gotta rip the whole thing apart to do it again. Alright, we'll just finish pressing it there. That's the old one. Just hold this. It's funny. Alright, that's the old one there. Listen to this. See how noisy that is? That's a brand new one. Big difference. Alright? So now I'm gonna press it back on. So quite a job, this one, because everything has to come apart. You gotta use a press to press everything out. Then you gotta put it back in, press everything back on, put it back together, and then put all this side on. So hopefully we can finish one side today, and then tomorrow finish one side and finish, and then do the actual the oil filler hose. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.